Finally meeting Priscilla. Oh my god, I wanna cry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Come here! Oh my god! Look at you! Beautiful even. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good morning to the faves tonight. Good morning.
Good morning.
And Sarah is here. Sarah say morning. You guys, Sarah wearing shoes for the first time. Babe say morning.
Morning.
Anika say morning. My gangster sister-in-law. She drive like a gangster, you guys. You guys, it is day 2 in New Jersey. Day 2 in New York on our vacation. And we are on the road to get some goodies. So we are heading to the supermarket right now. And then we're gonna roam the streets while my sister-in-law head to work. My brother is already gone to work. My niece is gone to school. So we have a full day planned. We have something special planned later to see someone very special. Well, by the title of this video you guys might know who it's going to be. So yeah, we are going to have a good day. So enjoy today's vlog. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys, catch up and keep up, and we are enjoying vacation. Sarah is gonna fall asleep in a minute. You guys, I don't have on any makeup on because I was rushing out. I just threw on this lipstick and did my eyebrows really quick. Bloom, 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 bloom. And then, anyway, you guys, love you guys. Ooh, and we're on the road. So we're at this mall. This is a supermarket shop called ShopRite. So we gonna shop right. We gonna shop right, shorty. There, show you guys my outfit of the day. Want Anika take a nice picture of me cause I feel pretty. The pants make me look like when I have no baby, don't? Snatch! Snatch, honey! I'm snatch, boo! We forget Sarah's stroller, so my sister-in-law gonna have to go back home. This flower is pretty. Halloween spirit. In here big? Oh, everything, honey. So let's just walk over there, so.
We're only here for 1 week.
Bird, brown bird. Brown print.
Take credit to everything. Oh, he's so good. Thank you.
You're a hot mess.
So this is sushi. Let me break it down.
Sushi.
Hot section.
Sushi. I want sushi.
There's drinks back here.
How much are this boy? I don't see any price. Where's the price?
Huh?
Where's the price?
Just like summer.
Yeah.
Just like summer.
Pick 10 and pay 88 cents each.
88 each.
Oh, for 10. But what if I want one?
It's Powerade or
What is
They're just $1.
Powerade?
They're $1 if you want one. Oh, really?
Yep.
Yep.
Ritz bits. Is this the Ritz bits with the cheese in the middle? Or just the snack? The cracker?
The
No.
ones with the cheese are in the aisle.
Alright, let's go.
Don't touch them.
How much is it?
You have you
You guys, shopping in a supermarket in the USA feels like you're in heaven. Literally, you see everything in huge packs. Huge packs. You can't resist. The price is so cheap. We just want to pick everything and put in the cart, right, babe? Right, babe?
Yeah, we're here for a week, so we have to.
We have to pass some things, and don't look at it. Crazy. What's here? Okay, I think this is the Ritz with the Ritz with cheese. I need Ritz with cheese, my favorite. Ritz bits. Oh my God, I've been dying to get Ritz bits
Like this, like
filled with real cheese. Yes.
you know things about cooking.
Jello, jello, jello. I'm gonna make this jello. No artificial sweet, no high. I used to love these. You guys, I wish I have this back home. Look how cool you find these pre-packaged energy things to fruits and veggies to make smoothie. How cool is that? Man. This one have pre-cut fruits and veggies. How cool. I'm in the international section and look at Jamaica Sodanza banana chips and tough crackers down there in the bottom, and corned beef here, Grace brand, Grace sausage. I just pick up one of these sausage, coconut milk, cock soup, mackerel, jerk seasoning, and juice, ginger beer. Wow, this is so cool. Ting. Hey. Let me see if I find Milo to make tea. Ah, Ovaltine. No wonder why Kenisha can't find banana chips. Okay, chocolate to make hot chocolate is here.
Yeah, that's the international one. You can find.
Yeah,
the
but
regular
where are
one.
we gonna find
You have to
it?
be somewhere the
Alright,
regular one.
let's go. What's the price on that one? Alright, international section look just like the international section back home. You guys, quick supermarket haul while we're here waiting. I have apple juice, we have sausage. We're only picking up breakfast things. We have white cranberry juice, we got milk, we got coca.
Just in case.
Then if I pick this, then put this back. Oh, you take this too?
Yeah.
So why this?
That's it.
It's
That's
not
a good
necessary.
one, like
No, this is more affordable now.
Well, and I pick up sausage, egg, and grapes, banana, and Tyler pick up all the other Paw Patrols that we can't find at home. Stella, and who's this guy? Rocky, and Chaka, and Zuma. Alright, we're ready. Oh, and we also pick up, yes, girl, in Yaso.
Okay, because I was looking for it.
And ham and bread, and that's it. We're ready.
I don't know. Oh, where's the wallet? You have
See
it?
it here.
Huh?
You finish your call? You guys, look what I'm eating. Ah, endorsing the Grace brand. Of course. Eating my sausage, the good old. Tyler, would you like to have one of the sausage?
Every couple months.
Yes.
Yo, this is like
Yes.
Yard.
Yard. Donga yard. Literally.
Put them like this.
And then the rest I put like
Yeah, very yummy.
You very yummy?
Right, find this one.
Yeah.
You want the other one?
Yeah, like the butter.
Tell us it's very yummy, so I give him the other one.
You only buy one can?
Yes.
Right.
You guys, we got back off the road and of course we stop at fast food. This trip shall be a fast food trip. We got Wendys. We don't have Wendys in France, so that's another fast food. Check off the list. Baby gonna take pictures, send to Remy and Nico. You have to. They'll be jealous. So we got Wendys. We have Wendys in Jamaica, so I don't really go crazy over Wendys. Okay, here goes my bag fell. But I'm trying something for the first time. What am I having, Anika? Jalapeno? Jalapeno sandwich. So I'm going jalapeno. Hot.
It's a J.
Okay.
It's a J.
And Tyler is having his usual. And baby's having, what you having, honey? Double baconator? So I'm gonna taste this for the first time and tell you guys if I'm a fan or not. And Sarah is still sleeping. You guys, this sandwich is bomb. The spicy makes it even better. It's really good. But what surprised me the most is the size of the juice. This is a medium juice. And I was shooked at how big is medium for the fast food drink here. My gosh, I can't drink that off. My sister-in-law said I don't want to see the large, but the sandwich, oh honey, you need to taste it. So good. Show them outfit of the day. Look how you open up, Sarah. Jesus Christ. Look how you open up. Show them outfit of the day, little sister.
Mama,
In your shoes. In your shoes. Go, go, go. I know Priscilla got jump out from somewhere right now. 1, 2, 3, from Priscilla 4. Make sure to turn on my camera now, because I know so she got least expect pop up from somewhere.
Look, there's a crab.
You guys, I'm finally meeting Priscilla. Oh my god, I want to cry. I want to literally just shed tears right now. We're out at the restaurant and Priscilla is here meeting me. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's down there parking. Oh my god. Let me show you guys Priscilla. We acted like an idiot. Weird. Baby, set on the camera.
Oh my god, we're still in our seatbelt for that time. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Come here! Oh my god! Look at you! Beautiful even.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh man, you know me want to pull up.
Be beautiful in person, look at you!
Yes.
Wait, the man will be inside, come.
I'm not in the glass traffic with them. I want to pull
Let
up
me reach before you.
Oh, you're reaching.
Come. Come on. Because you're pretty. Watch me at girl. Oi! Oh god. Me that had me. Come, make we go order fast, cause them are waiting for we. Watch me, baby. You're lucky, guy. Watch me, baby. Watch me, baby. Oh my God. Make it up nice before they run me out. Della, who is that? Oh my God. Who is that? Who is that? Come here, Auntie Hug. And that's my sister-in-law.
Beautiful. Even more beautiful in person. Come here.
Just so you know.
Oh my God. How are you? Wait, look up here.
Where are you going to sit?
Over here, so yeah, I'm gonna put Sarah on and then make it.
First time driving into New Jersey, and I live here for 16 years. And this is the first time for this queen and these handsome babies. And of course the king. King Noodle, big up yourself. Wow.
I am the friend.
They have crab.
They have crab. You know how many you're gonna have?
Auntie Priscilla? Yeah.
Do you want the flag?
You here? So you guys, we are out at a place in Jersey called Seafood Boil, and like I said, it's Seafood Boil, and we're gonna have dinner with Priscilla, Tyler, myself, Sarah sleeping, Anika, my sister-in-law, and babes. Let me show you guys Sarah's little outfit for tonight. Sarah is wearing dress and long stocking, and here she is.
If you see how I tremble
Why?
on the bridge, about 2 bridges drive over, and I look over and I see sea, I'm like, they cannot.
Watch them. They start already. Goody start, goody.
Oh, why I saw you open up the bag of down in that
one time. My shoulder.
So like,
Oh,
Oh, she know me, she wake up.
oh, Priscilla voice in a man.
Mr. Fresh in a stomach, me talk to this girl, yeah. And I'm already on this stupid.
Put this back in the bag
girl,
for me, please.
because
And this.
I will talk to her and she will kick. She remember why she kick? She used to kick. Right, mommy, mom.
She frisky now, so you better hold her. Watch me girl in a dress and stocking.
You want extra?
She not burp yet, she burp.
No, me never hear anything, so I go away and feed.
You guys, it's the next day. We reached home so late this night of the vlog. And we were so tired, we went straight to bed. We finally meet Auntie Priscilla.
Sit down and wait for me, Papa, okay?
okay.
We finally met Priscilla, and it was just everything I imagined. She is a sweetheart. Just like you guys see Priscilla commenting down in the comment section, Priscilla is the same energetic person in person. Tyler, it was nice meeting Auntie Priscilla.
Yes.
Yes, you're
So
gonna...
we already visit Auntie Priscilla, right?
Right. So I'm just coming on to end today's vlog and to let you guys know that meet and greet this Saturday, October 19, Central Park. To know the exact point in Central Park, I'll post it on Friday evening so you guys know. You guys, we are looking forward to meet you. Even if it's one of you I know we'll meet, at least one person will come out to see us, and we'll give you all the love and we'll receive all the love. Anyway, you guys, Sarah is here wiggling. Say bye, fam. See you guys tomorrow. So vacation is on. Say bye, guys. Tyler, say see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.